Tired of basic automations that only passes your data from one app to another? What if you could actually customize the logic, clean up your data, or transform it in any way you want right inside your workflow? Custom JS code in viaSocket is a feature that lets you write your own JavaScript in your automation workflows. In this video, I'll show you how to power up your automation workflows with custom JS. And the best part, you don't have to code everything by yourself.
Let me quickly show you how it works. Inside your workflow, once you have chosen the trigger, move to the action part. Simply click on the plus icon to add a built-in tool. From the list, select the JS code tool powered by AI. This is where you can directly write or modify your JavaScript code to customize the workflow logic according to your needs. Simply prompt the AI to reorder your form responses in the exact format you want. Here, I am rearranging my typeform responses in the following format. First, I am mapping the name. If you have the first and last name separately, you can prompt the AI to merge them. Simply click the plus icon on the right to select the responses you want to transform. You can choose the sequence in which you want the responses. For example, here I want the contact number after the name. And also, I want to keep the country code and the number separately. So prompt the AI accordingly and select the response through the plus icon. And select the response through the plus icon. Then, select another field, which is the email of the user. Select the company name. And map the other responses of the form. Select them as they are if you don't want any changes in the responses. If the date is not in the proper format, you can also correct it by prompting the AI in whichever format you want. Here my date is in the standard format, but I want it in commonly used format. Just select the date response and prompt the AI to generate it. The way you want. Then call your function, test it, and once you are satisfied, click Add to activate it. After all this, you can just use this formatted data to send it to your action application.
Custom JS code in viaSocket is a feature where you can add logics like data cleanup, including fixing names or phone numbers or adjusting the dates. You can perform the logics like calculations or any kind of transformations like changing text or restructuring the data.
The best part, viaSocket comes with AI assistance. So even if you are not a coder, you can describe what you want and the AI will generate or debug the JavaScript for you. This will make your workflows more smarter, flexible and personalized. So, if you want to go beyond the basic automations or build the workflows that truly scale, viaSocket's functions plus AI combo is where the magic happens.